I'm here and we're gonna unbox this new air cleaning system, and it is the Germ Guardian. Let me show you the Germ Guardian, and it is an air cleaner, right? And it claims to be a 3-in-1, and I did some research, and so far for this size, this one is the most, the best one so far. All right, and it captures allergens, it fights germs, it reduces odors in your house, and it is doctor recommended, right? And it have the American Energy Star something right there. So all right, and so I'm gonna unbox it. What happened is, guys, sometimes the place feels stuffy, and like the AC at work, but the house just feel, the air feel heavy. So I decided I need to get something. So I started researching air purifiers, and this one came up within the class, because the other one them expensive bad, but me get this for $89 plus tax. All right, and I got it at Best Buy. Okay, so it's $89 plus tax. All right, so I'm just gonna take this out of the box and then show you what is what. Okay, so this is it, and I am showing it to you from the side. And let me just turn on the flash. Okay, so this is the back, and the airflow comes through the back. Now at the back you pull off this, and this is the filter. All right, now I'm not 100%, so yeah, you see the filter here, and this is a HEPA filter, guys, and it have this thing here, so we black some charcoal thing, they black something right as well. So yeah, with them say true HEPA filter. All right, and so you just basically, and I think it's the filter, depending on use or how dusty your place is, the filter supposed to last you a good couple of months, well, and then you buy it online. All right, and this is the front of it, and I'm just gonna plug it up. Sorry guys, for my hands not being doing the thing correctly in terms of setting up everything. Bear with me, please. I'm just gonna plug it in and see if we can get a first run off of it. Now it's plugged in and everything. Let me get closer with this thing. Okay, so you have basically 3 settings, 3 settings up here, and from there, say for instance, you turn it on now, and you're not hear nothing. Trust me, not hear nothing. This little light here beeps, turns red. When it turns red, you need to change your filter. This is a UV light. All right, so I go check what go on with it, and then make you know. Okay guys, so it is on now, and it is on the highest setting, and you can hear the sound as it sucks the body air through the back and releases cool heat air through the front right here. So all right, so the body air comes through the back, and the good air comes through the front right here. All right, and this is UV light, and this is supposed to kill bacteria in the atmosphere, in the air. So I'm gonna put it on and let it run for a while, and then see how we can judge the air temperature, the whole thing. All right, and you have this button here, you can turn off the UV light. Now you can hear it when it's on the highest setting, But if I turn it down, see that? You hear that? And if I go to this is the middle section setting, and that's the weight name there, the lowest. Yardie, I hear it. So I'm gonna run this a little while in the room, and then I'm gonna finish up the video by giving my comments, just to let you guys know how I feel about the whole thing, if it did work or it don't work. All right, in my estimation. All right, so see you soon. So it's been a couple months now, to be honest with you guys, that I've bought myself a Germ Guardian air purifier system, and on average I run my system maybe say 2 or 3 times per day in 1 hour or a little bit more than an hour intervals. And I promise you guys, the system has made my life a little bit better. Yeah, to be honest with you, the air quality has improved drastically, and I'm not getting that overly stuffy feeling anymore. I have it near to my bed. I just put it on the nightstand here for display purposes, but really and truly I keep it in the room. I don't have it on the carpet because I don't want it to stay so close to the floor. So I have it on, and it's just the size to go on a tabletop or something. So I have it on a tabletop most of the time. But I would recommend this to anybody who have children with asthma or any respiratory issues. I would recommend it to those persons who have pets. As I did do my little reading up on it, and I realized that the product itself is one of the best in the class, and me just happy. I'm happy to buy it. Right now it's on the lowest setting, and you're not really hearing it, as I said before. That's the middle setting, and the high setting is a little bit noisy, but it's understandable. It's understandable considering. But I keep it on the low setting, and I run the UV light for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I lock it off. And yeah, I feel much better. Not coughing anymore, not getting up with no bad feeling no more, and I don't smell that musty smell no more. I mean, you wouldn't know much time I clean this carpet just because I wonder if the carpet smell musty. But I get to understand that when you are in a air-conditioned room, after a while the air itself that circulates in the room can get stale, or in the house can get stale. And so we open the windows periodically, but hey, South Florida we live, so but I like it, so I just put it out there. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't get paid by Germ Guardian to endorse any product. I purchased this product and I like it, and I just promote what I purchase. All right, so yeah, and you can check the description box for ways in which you can buy this product too, if you so choose, and other ways in which you can support Yardie Belly. And if you want get Yardie Belly to come perform as a comedian at your church or at your event, you can contact me too. All the information is in the description box. Yeah, I like the flowers. Yeah, I give my wife. My son gave my wife for Mother's Day, so she like it too. It just look nice, yeah, and with teddy bear or something. Alright, I'm gonna stop fasting in my room now. Leave me alone. Bye. Have a good day.